Welcome. In front of me I have HAYLOU Solar Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it. And here find the option called reset, and once you find it, select it. And then you can tap on the checkmark to confirm and start the resetting process. But before that, I want to remind you about one thing. If you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So once you make sure that the battery is charged, you can tap on the checkmark to confirm, and the watch will basically reset. And once you see the welcome screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.